guys, so today we're going to be eating some french fries from McDonald's. I want some more. Like and subscribe. Or else you won't get free McDonald's. Is that making the freaking camera? I'm thirsty.
Yeah? You don't have to take it right away. You have to add it. Here, ketchup right here. You want here?
I got something. I got some juice. Well, McDonald's. It's so good. This is so freaking good. I'm starting to drink some juice. I'm gonna open it. Whip it. After you guys were chit-chatting around, I opened it. I had enough of you guys. You're not subscribing. You still have 19 subscribers. Like from my son wishing me that none of you bitch when he was mad because you guys didn't subscribe, and then someone asked and said none of your business. Please subscribe. We're also not gonna become famous and never make every video again. How hard we try to make you subscribe. If you're a good boy or a good girl or a good parent, please subscribe to my channel. If you're a good girl or a good girl or a good boy or a good parent that's watching our videos right now, please comment what video you want us to make next. And I'm gonna check if you guys subscribed. And I know how to. And that's a secret. So Sayonara.